Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to be vacuuming the stairs with this Hamilton Beach hand vacuum cleaner that I reviewed in the last video. So it's got a pretty dang long cord, so I shouldn't have to go and unplug it mid-flight, except for those lower steps, because this cord can't reach all the way down there from there. So, and there's also a problem with the bag hitting the wall, just because it's such a gigantic bag, and it's a straight suction, so I'll have to work at it more. So, let's get going on this. You can't really see the dirt very well just because of the camera. There's something right there. Our house gets dirty very fast. And it's hitting the wall. It's just such a floppy bag. There's that problem. There's dust leaking out of it. I usually put tape over that, but I just took it off for the sake of a review. I won't do this area, just because I get that with a normal vacuum cleaner. But yeah, the stairs are all clean right here. So let's unplug her. Okay, it's way worse down here. Like, far worse. Yeah, you can see all the dirt, like, visibly. sorry about that. My mom just came home. Now we're gonna do this this lower flight of steps. All right, here we go. Well, alrighty then. So just got that done. As you could probably tell, I had to backtrack on some spots because I missed some areas only because it just doesn't really pick up everything in one pass sometimes. So you kind of have to backtrack sometimes. But one other thing is that this brush, it's so old that it's so worn down. It barely provides enough agitation, and as you could probably tell, as you could see, it was spitting out dust from right there. So I'll need to tape that back up again. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. See you in the next one.